Hello, and welcome back to the Speak English Daily podcast, the place where you practice, learn, and grow your English step by step.
So, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike, and we're so happy you're here with us today.
In this episode, we're going to share 5 powerful habits that can help you become more fluent in English.
And the best part, these habits don't need hours of study. They're small, simple, and practical. You can do them every single day, no matter how busy you are.
Exactly. Fluency is not about perfection. It's about building small, daily habits that make English a natural part of your life.
Start with habit number 1. Speak every day.
This sounds obvious, but many learners actually forget to use their voice. They study grammar, they read books, but they don't practice speaking.
And fluency comes from speaking. Imagine learning to play the guitar. You can't just read about it, right? You need to actually touch the strings.
So, how can you do this even if you don't have a speaking partner? Easy. Talk to yourself in English.
Describe what you're doing. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making coffee. I'm checking my phone.
You can also ask yourself small questions. What time is it? What should I eat? How do I feel right now?
Another great tip. Record your voice. When you listen back, you'll notice your pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence improving over time.
Even 5 minutes a day is powerful. Remember, short and regular is better than long and rare.
Habit number 2. Listen every day.
Listening builds your ear for the language. You'll hear the natural rhythm, stress, and pronunciation that you can't always get from a textbook.
And the great news is, you can listen almost anywhere. On the bus, while cooking, while walking your dog.
Don't worry about understanding every single word. Focus on the main idea. And if a sentence sounds interesting, repeat it out loud.
That's called shadowing. You listen and speak at the same time, copying the sound, the intonation, even the speed. This is one of the fastest ways to sound more natural.
Habit number 3 is to think in English.
Many learners translate in their heads. They think in their first language, then try to change it into English. But this makes speaking slow and stressful.
Instead, train yourself to think directly in English. Start small. See an apple? Just think apple.
Then move to short sentences. I'm hungry. It's cold today. I like this song.
Later, you can even have short conversations with yourself in English, in your mind.
The more you practice this, the more natural and automatic your speaking becomes.
Habit number 4 is one of my favorites. Read out loud.
Reading silently is useful, but it doesn't train your mouth and ears.
Exactly. When you read out loud, you practice pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence.
Choose something simple, a children's story, an article, or even the subtitles from your favorite TV show.
Go slowly. Pronounce each word clearly. If possible, record yourself and listen back.
You'll start noticing improvements in your pronunciation, and your voice will feel more comfortable speaking English.
And finally, habit number 5, learn phrases, not just words.
When you only learn single words, you still need to build sentences every time. That takes energy and can slow you down.
But if you learn ready-to-use phrases, you can speak faster and more naturally.
For example, instead of just learning the word idea, learn the phrase, "That's a good idea."
Or instead of memorizing help, learn, can you help me, please?
These are building blocks. They give you confidence and fluency.
So keep a small notebook or use your phone. Write down youthful phrases you hear and practice them every day.
Let's quickly review today's 5 habits.
Number 1, speak every day.
Number 2, listen every day.
Number 3, think in English.
Number 4, read out loud.
And number 5, learn phrases, not just words.
Remember, fluency is not built in 1 week. It's built step by step, day by day.
So here's your challenge. Pick one habit today and actually do it. Just 5 minutes is enough to start.
Over time, these small habits will transform your English. You'll speak with more confidence, more speed, and more ease.
Thank you for joining us today on the Speak English Daily podcast.
If you enjoyed this episode, please follow our podcast, share it with a friend, and practice with us every week.
Remember, your English doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be practiced.
Step by step, you'll get there.
Until next time, keep speaking, keep learning, and keep smiling.